Aloha. I'm at Disney's Polynesian Resort today, and we're going to breakfast.
3 hours.
Yes. I haven't had Mickey Mouse waffles yet. Now we're gonna get some Mickey Mouse waffles.
Hey.
How you doing, Tiki? How you doing? I see you. Yeah. Wow, they've done a lot of refurbishments to this. I mean, look. They got these new things where you can scan your card. That is so nice. You know, this is a really nice resort. This is one of my favorite resorts here at Walt Disney World. Aloha. Wow, look at this. Pretty cool. How you doing? How you doing? We're going in the temporary Captain Cook's. The other one's closed. This is it, Captain Cook's. So we are at the Captain Cook's. I got a Mickey Mouse waffle. This is my first Mickey Mouse waffle on this vacation. I haven't had one in a little while. With some bacon, Disney parks, got a chocolate milk. She got the exact same thing. Got these like little chocolate treats. I don't know. Anyway, that's what we got. Yum, diggin'. Wow, look at that. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna take a bite? No, 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 no. Don't. That's our friend. Don't eat. That's me. No. Bad girl. Bad girl. So I'm gonna try this. That's good. That's really good. So this is the tradition. Every time I pour some of my chocolate milk into hers. And that's the tradition. So we're also going to Disney's Hollywood Studios, but first we're going to Blizzard Beach and the water parks. Then we'll go to this place. At my favorite water park, Blizzard Beach. So much better than Typhoon Lagoon. Blizzard Beach. We're waiting in line because they haven't opened yet, but they're gonna open soon. Blizzard Beach.
Once you turn screen, you're good to go.
There you go, hon.
Come on up. Thank you.
Hey guys, so I'm at Blizzard Beach right now.
I'm at Blizzard Beach too.
Yep, here it is. It's a cloudy day. Hopefully the rides will be open. Right there, Summit Plummet. Wow. Tallest water slide in America. We're gonna put everything in our locker, and then everything is going to be switched to GoPro right now. So everything you watch, you're gonna see a GoPro footage. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start up there and you go down through that tunnel and then...
It's the greens. Team boat. That's the purple slope and the red slope. Where are the rafts? Oh, there they are. This way. We gotta do the red and the purple. People are gonna comment that the weather sucks. Here we go. Purple slope. We're gonna take the purple slope. We're gonna do all the ones on the purple slope. Purple slope. Disneyland, wish they had a water park.
Lie on your stomach on the sled and hold on with both hands.
Step into the water and wait up on your knees.
Okay. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Ah. Wait. Snowstormers. You get one.
As soon as you reach the bottom of the slide, you can exit by swimming to the closest stairs. Be careful of the strong current. Thanks.
Whoa! Whoa! Wait, let me get a. Yeah. Get out of here. Hidden Mickey. Pretty cool. Okay. Wait. Yeah, somebody weird lives in there. Oh, that's funny. These. All right. Oh. Whoa. Summit plummet. So we're here at Blizzard Beach. We got some burgers. I got a bacon cheeseburger, fries. Pretty good.